Hello, my dear students, how are you? I hope you're all fine. I am also fine. We already know that for the current situation of coronavirus, our school is closed and you're badly missing your school, your teachers, your friends, your classroom, and moreover, your studies. And I know that you're studying at your home very nicely, and which is very appreciable. Today, I have come here to help you. How to help? I will make a short tutorial or a short video of a chapter in science which is included in your CA3. And this will help you to study at your home more nicely and more beautifully. So let's start. Today I will start with the chapter 6, which is materials, and the page is 41. Let's look at the chapter. Okay, so the chapter name is material. First we will learn what is material. Material is an object which is surrounded by you. That means an object is around us is material. Many objects are made from different kinds of materials. Suppose an object can be made from plastic, metal, clay, wood, fabric, or paper. Now I will show you some objects, and I will tell you from which material they are made from. So let's look at the objects. First, I have a glass. This is a water glass. We drink water with it. So this is made from glass material. The glass is transparent, we already know, because we can easily see from a glass. And the glass is brittle. That means if we throw the glass, it will break very easily. So the one kind of material is glass material. Now what I have a muffler. This is a muffler. We wear this in winter. You already know that we wear these types of muffler in winter to protect ourselves from cold. This muffler is made from a fabric. The fabric is wool. Wool is soft and it is washable. That means we can easily wash it. So another material is wool or fabric. If we take a look at your own dress, this is also one kind of fabric and this is one kind of material. Now what I have a small pencil. You already familiar with this because you write with the pencil. So this is made from wood. So the wood is wood is hard and wood is very lightweighted. So you can easily write with it. Now I have another material, that is a tissue. This is a tissue paper. A tissue paper is made from a paper. Paper is very lightweighted and very soft, and it can easily dissolve in the water. So this is another kind of material, that is paper. I have another object. This is what? This is a plastic bottle. You already know this. This is a mom water bottle. This is made from plastic. See, this is very soft. If you press it, it will be lump. So this is this is a plastic bottle and this is very soft, and this is also transparent. You can easily see through it. I have now another material, that is, what is this? Yes, this is the key. This is my home key. So this is the key is made from metal. So metal is very hard. You cannot break easily the metal. So this is another kind of material. So many objects around us is made from different kinds of material. Suppose if you look at your home, you can easily see that there is a sitting chair in your drawing room. There is a sitting chair in your home. You have television, you have dining table, you have chair, you have spoon, you have fridge, you have plates from where you eat. So these are all materials. So according to the size, shape, color, the materials differs. Suppose, as I already mentioned, if you look at the glass, so the glass is very light, very small. The glass is very small. You can easily take it. You can easily drink water with it. Moreover, if you look at the television, which is very big, and you cannot take it in your hand. So this is like this, the materials differs. Another thing, some materials can be very lightweighted, some materials can be very heavy weighted. Suppose if you take a pencil, as I already mentioned, the pencil is very lightweighted, you can easily write with it. Instead, if you look at the television, which is very heavy and you cannot take it in your hand. Another thing, if you look at the refrigerator in your home, the refrigerator is very high and very high weighted, heavy weighted, so you cannot move it alone. Like this, there are many kinds of materials which is colorful, and some materials are less colorful or colorless. Suppose if you look at the curtains at your home, the curtains are made of different colorful fabrics like red, yellow, blue. So these are colorful material. And if you look at your refrigerator, that is the color might be gray, the color might be white, or the color might be sometimes maroon color, red color. So according to the material, the color changes. Suppose if you look at your almirah, this is a gray color, white color. If your dining table is made from wood, that is wooden color. So according to the material, the color also changes. Yes, like this, the glass is transparent, it has no color, it is see-through, we can easily see from the glass. So materials can be colorful, less color, or colorless. So according to different kinds of material can be small, material can be big, material can be very high weighted, heavy weighted, very light weighted. Material can be very colorful, colorless, or very normal color. So these are the materials. So from this we have learned that what is material. Material is an object which is surrounded by you. And another thing, you can easily touch the material. Suppose the glass, you can easily touch the materials. If we put the glass in a place, it takes a place, right? It takes the place, so you can easily touch it, you can easily feel the material, and you can easily see the materials. Okay, this is a glass, or okay, this is a plastic bottle, like this. So this is material. And according to the size, shape, color, the material differs. So from the chapter name, we have learned what is material. So this is all for today. In my next tutorial or video, I will explain another topic which will help you more. Till then, stay home.